What's up, y'all? It's Jimmy coming you guys with another video. Before I get into the video, as always, make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. And when you guys hit subscribe, please make sure you guys are hitting that notification button. And today we will be reviewing a pair of Air Jordan 1s that came out in early April. And when they first came out, resale was already at $450 to $500. I think resale has dropped maybe down to $350, I want to say, but still pretty high. So getting right into the review, here's the box that the shoes come in. Typical black and red Air Jordan 1 box. Moving on to the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, GS for grade school. These are a 6.5 youth, and retail on these is $130, but for the men's pair it is $170. So with tax for the GS pair, it's probably like $143. For the adult pair, it's probably like $183, something along those lines. And finally, here are the shoes. I gotta tell you guys, first look in hand, they are just as dope as they look in pictures. And that's to say, these are a grade school pair, so I imagine the men's pair looking just as nice or even nicer. But my first impression on them is that they are really nice in hand. There's something about that faded blue suede, the white leather, the gray on the swoosh. I don't know, there's something about it that's just so clean. But starting with the outsole, you have your typical Air Jordan 1 outsole in that like neutral gray color. Honestly, this neutral gray is so beautiful. Every time Nike does like an Air Force 1, Nike Dunk, or Air Jordan 1 with this neutral gray colorway, I feel like it's typically a hit. And then moving up, you have a white midsole, very pure white, very platinum white, I almost want to say. Looks really clean with the rest of the shoe. And then moving on up, you do have quite a bit going on. So wherever you see your light blue, that is like a suede nubuck material. The suede, you have your hyper blue royal stitching, and that blue is the same exact blue that you're gonna see on the Nike Air tag. And then your two side panels on the outer and inner portion of the shoe and your toe box are white leather. I'll say the quality of the leather isn't anything too crazy. Like I said, this is a grade school pair, so I can't really talk about the quality on a men's pair. I imagine it being a little bit better, you know, just considering men's pair typically do have a little bit better quality. But even then, I'll say for the grade school pair, the quality on this isn't too bad at all. Like, I'll say that I feel like Nike did a really good job on the quality check of this shoe, because the cuts of the leather, the cuts of the suede, the cuts of the panel, the glue stains on the shoe are very minimal. Overall, this is a very good looking shoe. And then your swoosh and the two back portions of the shoe right here are in that neutral gray that is found on the outsole. And your Air Jordan Wings logo is white. And the shoes come pre-laced with white laces. And I tried to actually find the spare laces, but oddly enough, I don't know if these shoes just didn't come with spare laces, because I know all Air Jordan 1s typically do. Yeah, this shoe doesn't have any spare laces, surprisingly. So that's the first time I've ever seen that, because these are straight from Nike. So I'm a little surprised that it's missing the spare laces. But I do think they either come with hyper blue royal laces or either the gray laces. I'm not too sure which one it is, just because I mean, I don't have the actual spare laces to show y'all. But yeah, oddly enough, there are no spare laces. I tried to search inside the shoe, inside the shoe box, and you know, there's nothing there. Typically they come pre-attached to the shoe, so I don't know if that's like a mess up by Nike or what, but these shoes did not come with any spare laces. And it's just right after me saying Nike did a great job on the quality check on these shoes. Don't get me wrong, it kind of sucks, and it's actually very unfortunate that these don't have any spare laces. But the shoe itself is still a very beautiful shoe. But let me know what you guys think about the Hyper Royal ones down below in the comments. Do you guys think so far these are the best Air Jordan 1 release of 2021? Personally, for myself, I mean, man, there's just so many shoes that dropped in 2021, especially Air Jordan 1. So far, I'll say these are definitely up there so far, at least for me. But right now, I'll say if I had to pick a number one Air Jordan 1 release, I'll probably have to say it's going to be the 85 neutral grays. Although I don't have a pair of those, I think those are absolutely beautiful. I mean, they are just a white leather shoe, but like I said, every time Nike does a pair of Air Jordan 1s with that neutral gray. And you know, those are the OG neutral grays. It just comes out so beautiful. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's gonna wrap it up. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.